everyone, welcome to another Fabfitfun unboxing. I just received my summer box and I cannot wait to show you all of the fun things that I received. This video is a partnership with Fabfitfun. For those of you that might not be familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription box filled with over $200 worth of full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle products, all for $49.99 per box. However, I always have a code for my viewers. This time it is Risa Loves, and I'll put it on the screen. That will get you $10 off your first box. So the entire box will only cost you $39.99. I've discovered so many new favorites from the Fabfitfun box. It's like a gift to yourself every season. And who doesn't want that? And who doesn't sort of need that right now? Self-care is so important, and a lot of people put themselves last in their lives and their families. And I want to tell you a quick story before I get into what I have in my box. My mother finally signed up for Fabfitfun. What she expressed to me after receiving her first box is it just made me so happy. She said exactly what I always say to you all, that it felt like she was doing something for herself, that she discovered products that she would never have tried before. She felt like the box was a really, really good value. You are able to customize your box, which is really fantastic. Something else I really love about Fabfitfun is that a lot of the brands they partner with are female-owned companies. They also partner with charities. For this season, they've partnered with the Special Olympics. Now I'm excited to show you what I received in my summer 2020 Fabfitfun box. So once again, here is everything. And when I opened my box, the first thing that got me really, really excited was this Space beach towel. Now, I know not everyone is as lucky as I am to have a pool, but I do live in Las Vegas. It's already 100 degrees. I definitely needed a house with a pool living here. And even though nobody besides my husband and kids is seeing me in my backyard right now or will appreciate how cute this towel is, I will. I hate to use the word obsessed. I really do. But I'm obsessed. It is a huge beach towel, and I live in a house full of boys, so I know no one will be taking my towel. I will be showing the retail value of every product on the screen, but I just want to mention that that towel retails for $58. So right there, you've covered the cost of the entire box with just one product. In addition to that adorable towel, when my family and I are finally able to get back to the beach, which hopefully will be sooner than later, I will definitely be bringing this adorable cooler. Again, I have two boys in my house and they eat constantly, and whenever we go to the beach, they're always asking for snacks. And so I try to bring healthy snacks like grapes and strawberries and things. It's got two sets of handles. You can either carry it this way or you can put it over your shoulder, and it has an adjustable strap. And I also like that it has this pad right here, because it's always painful to put a strap over your shoulder and you're carrying other, beach stuff, and it just gets heavy and uncomfortable. So I like the little strap. And up next, in keeping with the beach theme, although this is something you could and should use every single day, this is the Coola Mineral Face Sunscreen that has a matte finish. It says that it is sheer, non-greasy, fast absorbing, and has an SPF of 30. Ooh, that feels really, really nice. Yeah, it doesn't feel greasy at all. And it seems to be sinking right into my skin. I'll definitely follow up with you guys on how this works under my makeup. There's actually a resort here in Las Vegas that has all Coola products out by their pool. From my experience, it's usually a pretty good indicator of quality, or the quality of a brand, if a high-end resort is using their products. By the way, when you get your box, there's always a magazine included with great articles. It talks more about the charity that Fabfitfun has partnered with. It also contains the descriptions and retail prices of all of the products you may have received in your box. Up next is this hand cream from Spongelle. It is the coconut verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Who does not need a good hand cream for their purse or for home? But especially now, with all of us washing our hands over and over and over, or at least we should be. I know my hands are getting pretty dry, so I will be using this on the daily. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This smells like summer in a, I was gonna say in a bottle. Summer in a tube. This is one of those times that I wish smell-o-vision was a thing. Oh, I love the smell of this. Next up is this makeup sponge from Makeup Drop. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oh, I already have one of the sponges that looks like this, but this one is different. It's a hybrid makeup sponge. Like many of you probably are, I was curious about this sponge, so I looked it up. And what it says on the Makeup Drop website is that it will revolutionize your makeup game with the perfect 2-in-1 applicator for liquid and cream makeup that keeps the product on your skin, not absorbed into your hands and sponge. So if you're someone that uses both cream and liquid product like I do, then this will be perfect. I plan to use this to blot on my foundation as normal, and then use this side for when I apply my cream blush. Actually, I'm going to grab a cream blush and try it out. This is really, really cool. Remember at the very beginning of the video when I said you're likely to receive some products you may never have purchased on your own or tried on your own? This is one of those products that I probably would never have bought, but I'm so happy that I got it in my box. So next up is this Winky Luxe Universal Brow Pencil. Universal brow pencils often concern me because I have lighter brows, and a lot of times these universal pencils can be too dark. The trick is to use a really, really light hand with them and then apply more pressure if your brows are darker. I do like that this has a spoolie on the end. I always brush my brows up first, and I do like that this has an angled tip. I find that very helpful. I'm just gonna try to see what this color is. Oh, I like it. It has a nice point to it on the end to get this arch. Oh, I really like the spoolie too. It seems sturdy. Some spoolies on brow pencils are really like flimsy and break off, but this one seems sturdy. Sadly, I just have 2 more things to show you. This was part of my customization, I think. It is a silked pillow sleeve. I have wanted to try one of these for the longest time, and mine is in silver, which is perfect because my room is like gray and silver and mirror-ish. The satin pillow sleeve is designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair so you wake up looking and feeling refreshed. Our innovative open-ended design fits over most standard queen and king pillows and pillowcases, perfect for home or travel. So this is the case. This is machine washable, and I cannot wait to use it tonight because my hair with my standard pillowcases, every morning I wake up, it's just a tangled, frizzy mess. And not to mention, I've heard that these are so great for wrinkle prevention. So I think everybody needs one of these. And then lastly, there's this beautiful Isaac Mizrahi ceramic decorative vase. Look how pretty this is. It says that each vase is carefully hand-dipped, making it an extraordinarily special piece to put on display. Fill it with lush greenery or a fragrant bouquet and let your ideas bloom. I didn't have any real flowers to put in here, but I found some faux flowers, and it's so pretty. All right, that is everything. My box had a retail value of over $260, and I absolutely love it all. I can't stop smelling my hand. That hand cream is amazing. If you would like to get in on the Fabfitfun fun, don't forget to sign up using my promo code RisaLoves. There's a link in the description box. You can get your first box for $39.99. So I really hope you all enjoyed watching my unboxing of my Fabfitfun Summer 2020 box. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Risa Does Makeup family, I would love to have you, so please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I do try to upload at least twice a week, usually 3. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under the same username. It's all Risa Does Makeup. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.